Hi guys, and welcome to our brief overview video of our unit on mass media and society. I'm Dr. Jessica Freeman. Now, this specific unit is meant to cover two key areas, mass media research and mass media theory. And this video is meant to acclimate you with the key concepts in those chapters, as well as to talk about the associated activities that you will be engaging in. Now, part one of this particular unit is going to focus on mass media research, and it's going to delve into an array of different methodologies that we use to investigate media phenomenon. And those different methodologies are going to range from those that are quantitative or more numbers or statistical based, like surveys or experiments or so forth, to those that are more qualitative in nature or more anecdotal and are going to apply methods like focus groups or interviews. And for this part of the unit on mass media research, you guys are going to do an activity with the VALS survey, which is a proprietary psychodemographic survey that many different companies pay to use to gain consumer insights. You're going to answer a few questions of that and specifically look at how it has been applied in the real world. Now, part two is meant to acquaint you with mass media impacts and effects upon society, and specifically the theories associated with those. And as a way to try and connect the dots back to one of many specific theories that are out there about mass media and its impact, you guys are going to watch a movie called The Mean World Syndrome, which focuses on cultivation theory, which was developed, as you will hear about, by George Gerbner. And Gerbner suggested that with cultivation theory, folks can be divided into two categories, heavy and light users of television. And Gerber suggested that those who were heavier viewers of television were going to have a more TV-based view of reality. And specifically, one phenomenon that he talks about in line with this cultivation theory is the mean world syndrome. The idea that across television, we see repeated patterns of violence and anger and so forth. And that when we are exposed in the heavy category to those different types of television media, we're going to start believing that that is the reality of the real world. And so this activity is going to ask you to watch this movie and answer a few questions about the theory and to help you connect the dots back to this microcosm of one specific theory in mass media that is often used. Now, I want you to understand that these two components of the unit, research and theory, are very complementary of each other, because often, as you will read about, mass media research is going to build into good mass media theory. And so these two components of the unit work very much together. So as you explore this unit, please let me know if you have any questions. It's one of my favorites because it delves into some of the work that I did, especially as a graduate student. And I look forward to seeing how you interact. Thank you so much and have a great time exploring.